Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can leverage your experience through education to grow and scale your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning companies like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How to leverage floor care education to promote your floor cleaning business. Very often when we're trying to promote service-based businesses, we invest a lot of time and money into broadening brand awareness, advertising, paid ads, trying to get 5-star reviews, getting certified, so on and so forth. Big percentage of all those actions are of course aimed at getting more customers, making your business stand out from the crowd. But there is one more tried and tested way to build trust between the new and ongoing customers that you've got by establishing your authority through education. Of course, when somebody hires a carpet cleaner or a tile cleaner or whatever, people want to feel like they're hiring a professional. They want to feel like they're hiring someone that knows what they're doing, right? That knows what they're talking about, that's an expert in their industry. They want to feel comfortable with letting you loose on their expensive carpets. And so one of the ways that you can establish that authority and that expertise in the minds of your customer is through education. So you could, for example, have some sort of like marketing and advertising educational type campaign. So you could be putting out posts on social media and stuff like that every day, talking about, the different aftercare, how to get stains out. You could be talking about the different bacteria that live in carpets, dust mites. You could be educating your customers on the different chemicals that you guys use as part of your process, educating them on the wand, on the truck mount, about how the carpet cleaning system works, about how it extracts the hot water extraction system. You could be put together like a campaign with videos on YouTube or with content on Instagram, Reels, Facebook stories, posts on the newsfeed each day that has some educational content about your service, about how you do it and about how it works. When people see this, not only will they find it fascinating, at the same time, it positions you as the expert, as the authority in the space, someone that's trustworthy, someone that knows what they're talking about, right? And so that is going to lean into them actually wanting to hire you. Like, wow, these guys, they really know their stuff. They've got the top equipment, they know what they're talking about, they know about all the different chemicals, they've got all the techniques down. So this is a great way through education to actually sort of like get people signed up with you and actually grow your floor cleaning business. Other ways that you can do it as well is after you've been in the home, you could give them some leaflet or you could email them like an after floor cleanings, aftercare kind of educational email or leaflet that talks about now that the carpet's clean professionally, these are the things that you now need to do moving forward to take care of it, things that you can do to improve the carpet's health. So some sort of education after you've been in the home via a leaflet or an email can work really, really well. The other thing that you can do for your current customers or your customer database, you could be doing this stuff on social media to try and win new business, but to your customer list you could have an email newsletter that goes out once a week or once a month, and each email again has educational content in it. It keeps you squarely in the minds of your past customers without being salesy, without just trying to like ram the latest offer down their throat. It allows you to stay front of mind of your customers but actually offer some value and knowledge as well, right? And that in itself, the fact that they're learning something and they're getting some value for free out of your business without you trying to like be too pushy can really help you to retain those customers and get them signing back up with you again because they perceive you. There's that perception that these are the real deal, these are the top guys in the game, they really know their stuff. So yeah, effectively you guys are professionals in the floor cleaning game, whether you're a carpet cleaner or a tile cleaner. You've got a lot of knowledge about about your equipment. You've got a lot of knowledge about the various techniques required to achieve the desired results. So why not use that knowledge, leverage that knowledge in your advertising, in your marketing, through email, through social media, and actually leverage it to actually educate your customers, old and new, so that they see you as the authority in the space, and that in turn will help you grow, dominate your market, overtake your competitors, and be the number one guy, the number one floor cleaning company in your area. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you'd like to find out more details about working with us on a one-on-one basis to get you booked out with jobs and take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description below where you'll find all the necessary details. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.